comes adverb. An adverb is a part of speech that gives more information about a verb, an adjective, a clause, and sometimes a whole sentence. For example, my father drives carefully. Here, drives is a verb. Carefully tells us how father drives. So, carefully is an adverb. Sia dances gracefully. Here, gracefully modifies the verb dance. So, gracefully is an adverb. Let's go to the doctor tomorrow. Here, go is a verb, and tomorrow tells us when we will go. So, tomorrow is an adverb. Jimmy tried harder. Here, tried is a verb, and the word harder tells us to what extent Jimmy tried. So, harder is an adverb.